Hi, this is Shushan from MeasureSquare. In this Android video, I'm going to show you how to download the Android app and how to register if need be. First, let's click on Play Store. And in Google Play, I'm going to look up MeasureSquare. And you could see it pop up right there, MeasureSquare Mobile. I'm going to click on the three vertical dots and I'm going to click install. Once it's done installing, you can click on the app and you can click open. You'll see this page come up before you. If you already have a MeasureSquare ID, you can just pop that right in there. But if you would like to create a free trial, you can just click create account right under the sign in. And it'll ask you to register for the account. So you'll just fill in this information and click register on the top right hand corner. But I have a login, so let me just go ahead and put in my credentials. You might see this pull to sync pop up before you. The syncing will bring in all your projects from the cloud. And now we land on the home page of MeasureSquare. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.